this lecture, we discuss about electric potential and potential difference. Okay. When a point charge is placed from one point to another point, then work is done, which is known as potential difference. Let's suppose I have a point A at which plus Q naught charge is placed. You can say Q naught charge is placed, and I want to put this charge on at point B. Then I need to bring this charge to this point. And during this process, some work is done, work is required, which is known as potential difference. That is VA minus VB is equal to वर्क डन एक्सटर्नल. मैं एक एक्सटर्नल हूं, मैंने यहां से इसको यहां उठा के रखा है, तो वर्क डन बाय एक्सटर्नल डिवाइडेड बाय क्यू. ओके, दिस इज पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. एसआई यूनिट वर्क की जूल और चार्ज की कूलम, और यू कैन से दैट वोल्ट. ओके, VA माइनस VB को चेंज है तो आप डेल्टा भी लिख सकते हैं. डेल्टा OD मैंने बताया था चेंज को शो करते, तो डेल्टा V. ओके, नाउ व्हेन अ चार्ज इज मूव फ्रॉम, ओके, व्हेन अ चार्ज इज मूव फ्रॉम infinity to point to some point, say point A or B, then it is known as potential. Okay, when a charge is moved from one point to another, then its potential difference. In this case, I took the charge from infinity to point B. Okay, then it is known as potential. Then V infinity is equal to 0. In physics, take potential at infinite is equal to 0. It's important. Thus, now see, what's our formula? V A जगह infinity आ गया minus VB is equal to W external by Q. Okay, W external by Q. Fine. Here you can also say V, any point you denoted by A, B, C, you want to be used, you can write here B, A, B, C. I take my point as B, so I write VB is equal to W from infinity to some point, okay, her point B by